This video is brought to you by Factory Direct Trains. Visit factorydirecttrains.com and check out their wide selection of model railroading products and supplies. Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. This week on my channel, we have the installation part 1 of the Arduino multi-block signal system. And what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be doing the first part of the install of the multi-block system on my layout, and part 2 will be done at a later date. Then next week, we're going to have a layout update where I'm going to be putting down the foam base and painting and putting in some track work. So that's what's coming up this week and next week on my channel. Now, on to the quick tip. My quick tip for this week is really one for the community as a whole. And we are such a great community about positive encouragement and all sorts of things, but I still see some negativity from time to time. And that is, other layouts are for inspiration, not judgment. Everybody does their railroad a certain way, and that is perfectly fine for them to do that railroad a certain way. It may not be the way that you want to do it, but we cannot pass judgment on the way that they do their railroad. So again, other railroads are for inspiration, not for judgment. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!